babies, it's your girl Rich Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a mom and them, because we lady over here. Without further ado, one of the family members wanted to know what fits in this bag. So y'all not gonna see me because I'm looking ugly and scruggly and all of the above, so we're going to try to do it like a bird's eye view. Y'all get the drift. Okay, so this is the open of my little Birkin dupe. So what fits in it? So I'm going to pack this as if I'm going to class, even though I, go to class from home online, but still what I would use when I'm in class. So we got the Birkin. This is my Chromebook. And as you can see, it fits in there comfortably. So my Chromebook. Then we also got my tablet. I use this for school also. Online they have us like read stuff and stuff like that, so I like to just use my tablet to read stuff. Boom. Got my phone. There you go. Still room. This is my A5 journal. Definitely use this for taking notes and stuff like that, because I used to carry like binders and stuff. I use binders at home, but I like to keep it simple. If I'm not typing, I like to do a little notes but keep it simple. So I would use my little journal. Still got room. Glam Squad. This is my little toiletry bag, and here I got hand sanitizer, lotion, crust, what is that? The little crust toothbrush, my Band-Aids, eyelid scrubs, fresh breath spray, and toilet seat cover. What else? Got my wallet. Got my glasses. This is my container. I put my medication for the day in. Got my pen, got my stylus, got my lip gloss. Got my beats, my dupes. And I got my charger. And y'all, that's all that fits in there. And it's still closed, but y'all know they always leave it open and stuff like that. Is it a little heavy? Just a tad bit. But what do you expect? It's the necessity. So this is just to show you that this is a nice size purse that fits a lot. It fit a Chromebook, a tablet, a cell phone, necessities in a little pouch, a A5 journal, my eyeglasses, my charger, and also my headphones, my wallet, my pen, my stylus, and also my lip gloss. And this is what fits in this Birkin dupe. So hopefully this was helpful. Just wanted to show y'all a little something. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.